Hey you guys, I'm going to show you how to microneedle K with our Antioxidant K. A little tips and tricks. So step one, take the Antioxidant K, 2 pumps, just like that. Mix it with a little bit of water. This does need to be emulsified because there's a lot of hyaluronic acid in this. So emulsify and then apply. Don't forget your lips. This product is completely safe to use, even if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, ultra natural. And then, if you are gonna do the face, neck, and chest, make sure you have the Antioxidant K on first, so then you're gonna roll after. So that was step one. Step two is the microneedle. You don't have to use a lot of pressure, just very lightly go in an upward direction, and then you can go right in this area to stimulate, just to prevent. Clearly she doesn't need much, but we're doing this more of as a preventative treatment for her. And then I'm going to go right under her eyes as well. And you can get pretty close, especially when you're looking at yourself in the mirror. It's really easy to do. Lips. Plump those lips up. And you can go over, under, and then directly over. You want to see this pink undertone because that's how you know that it's working. You want to stimulate it as much as possible. Just like if you were to go to the gym and work out, your skin gets pink because you're getting everything stimulated and moving. Now I'm going to show you this side. Get your jawline. This is an area that is easy to forget about, but it's the one area that women complain about. So even though nothing's happening, you want to do it to prevent it. So work really well underneath this area. And then get your neck. And then get your décolleté if you want to work on this area. I recommend doing that whether you need it or not. Just do it as preventative. And then get your forehead. The less flesh the area has, the more you feel the needles. So it works really well. You can go back and forth, you can go up and down, it doesn't make a difference, but definitely get the center, and then definitely go over your eyes. Right over your eyebrows. Because what happens as we age, this changes as well. So do this twice a week. Sometimes some people do it 3 times a week. There are people that do it sometimes 5 times a week. I think it's unnecessary. I say stick to between 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start noticing a change pretty quickly.